I'm Eitan and welcome to WiX Fixer. This is part of our WiX Data API series and specifically the part talking about WiX Data Query. In the previous video, we talked about how to refine and expand queries using the and or methods. And today I'm going to show you how to exclude a certain result using the not method. So let's get started. Okay, so the not method works quite similarly to the and or methods. And if you remember last time, I showed you how to kind of organize your queries in a slightly more organized way. So if we take a look at the WiX documentation, you can see here that they have one query and then .not and then another query over here. And in our case, what we have is I have both of my queries declared here as variables. And then I just combine them right before I call the find method. And in our case, we used or last time, but in this demonstration, we're going to be using the not method. And what this will do is it'll basically be like an or, but the or is opposite of or. So we are going to be querying for anybody in this case whose age is less than 35 and whose gender is not female. Okay, so it has to meet both of these conditions, but for the second condition, it has to meet kind of the opposite of what the or would have done, which is look for anybody who is female. And I know this might be slightly complicated, but let me just do the demonstration and hopefully that will make it a little more clear. So I'm just going to run the search here and let's take a look at the items that we got back. So we got back 4 items. And here we have somebody who's age 21 and they're male. Okay, so they're under 35, but they're not female. And here we have somebody who's 12 who's gender fluid, so they're under 35 and they're not female. And here also another gender fluid person and another male. Okay, so they all meet both the first condition and not the second condition. And I'm just going to change it and show it to you again so that it's a little more clear. So here, for example, if we have gender, we can change this to male. And now it'll exclude anybody who is male in their gender. So I'm going to preview that one more time. And I'm going to click search. And here we have under 12, gender fluid. And we have under 15, also under 35, I meant, 2 people who are gender fluid and not males. Okay, I guess we don't have anybody who is female. Maybe this is, let me check this out. Okay. So because I am using contains here, so it also excluded females because the word female contains the word male. But if I just change this to, for example, to an equal to, then we should get back also results where the gender is female. And we did. So let's take a look at this. Okay, we got back females. So that was a little bit of oversight on my part because I forgot that we were using contains. But you got a little bonus debugging lesson over there. Yeah, and that's really all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It really encourages me to continue making these videos. And I'll see you next time.